What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph and this is the third part to TradingView for beginners. In today's video we'll cover how to insert indicators on TradingView. TradingView has a lot of different indicators on their platform, so I'm going to go over that today in this video. If you go on to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free trading community where we can talk about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So right here we have TradingView on the screen, and this video won't be too long. We'll just be going over how to insert the indicators, customize them to your liking, as well as how to use the indicators. So right here, if we just click indicators at the top, as you can see, they have many different options that you could select from. If we go over to public library, they'll show you all the indicators that people have scripted themselves, and they sort it based off the amount of likes that they have. Right here, we can see that this one was made by Lazy Bear, and you could just scroll through this on the public library, see what other people have made, and you could test them out yourself. We also have some built-in indicators that TradingView has provided for yourself. You could go through that as well. And another one that I personally like are these candlestick patterns. So if you're looking for bullish candlestick patterns, you could select Joevestor bullish, and it'll show you all the Joevestor bullish candlesticks on your chart. Right here, Pen doesn't have it, so if we just click Doji, there you go, we'll see all the doji candlesticks that Pen has on the chart. Right here we see one right there, and it clearly points it out for you throughout your chart. And if you want to remove it, all you have to do is go up here and click X. If we go back to indicators, we'll also notice that you can also script some of your own indicators. That is very cool and a great option that TradingView allows you to have. But if you're just looking to add some simple indicators to your chart, the first one I always highly recommend people start out with is the MACD. Right there, you could just click that and it'll show up right there on the bottom of your screen, and you can adjust the size to your liking. All you have to do is double click on one of the lines and it'll show up the inputs and styling for your indicator. And right here we'll see that these are the different lengths. So if you want to change that, you can always leave it as the default. But also if we go to style, you could change the colors to your liking. You could do black, purple, anything you like. I typically like the green and red. It matches the candlesticks, so that's what I leave it as. You can also change the thickness of the lines as well if you want. And then if you want to add some more indicators, click indicators again. You could click RSI, another one of my favorites, and same thing like the MACD, you could adjust the size, you can change the color as well, just like that. So TradingView makes it very easy to add indicators to your chart and customize them as well if you want. You could also add some moving averages to your chart if you want as well. All we have to do is search moving average, and I added way too many G's right there. And right there we have the regular moving average, we have the exponential moving average for day trading if you want. Right here, if we just click that, it'll show up right on our chart, and I think the default is the 9-period moving average. Yep, so you could change this to whatever you want. You could do 50-day moving average, you could do 200, and you can also change the color as well, which is pretty nice. So like me, I have multiple moving averages on my chart, so having the option to change the color is very nice. I usually go with red for the 200. I change the thickness to a little bit bigger. And just like that, we have the 200-period moving average. And if you want to make it 50 moving average, not 20,000, 50, but 50. And we could change that to green. I usually make that green. Just like that, we have that moving average on our chart. So as I said before, TradingView makes it very easy to add and remove indicators to your chart as well as customize them. Another thing I want to mention is that if you have the free version of TradingView, they only let you add up to so many indicators on your chart. So if you want to add more, you can upgrade to a higher plan if you want to add more indicators to your chart. I personally just like the free version. It is what it is. And you can also change the you can also make sure you save your chart layout. So if you use different indicators for different things, you can also just click new chart layout, or you can load an existing one that you have. So that is TradingView indicators in a nutshell. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the rest of this series. I'll see you in the next one. Like me, I have multiple moving averages on my chart, so having the option to